11 years old. Only 111. In the tunnel. That's a new one. You know how much that cost? What? They started that before COVID. When COVID came, nobody was trained. I was like, yo, look, it's empty. But they had to keep it running for the doctors, nurses, lawyers, everybody. But they call it they had to keep it running for them. Crazy. Look, no traffic, look. The turnpike. That's the eastern spur. No traffic.